I'm so glad we agreed to break up for the weekend, babe. It was so worth it to have fun at that party. Now it's time to come back to your arms. Babe, why isn't my key working? Hello, Alex?
Why are you trying to get into my house?
Your house? Babe, all my stuff is inside.
Who's this babe you keep talking about? Oh, and the locks? Change them. Can't let strangers walk in.
Strangers? Alex, what are you talking about?
Thought it was pretty clear. You wanted to break up so you could party all weekend. And now you think you can just waltz back in like nothing happened? We're done, Samantha.
But babe, we agreed. You said it was fine for us to break up just for the weekend.
Yeah, and over the weekend I realized something. A girl who'd even ask for something like that doesn't deserve my trust. What, you thought you could up your number and come back to me on Monday?
You can't be serious. What about you? Tell me what you did this weekend. You probably had your fun too, so it's fair.
Fair? Fair would have been staying loyal, not ditching me to party and then expecting everything to go back to normal.
You're overreacting. It wasn't even that serious.
Not serious? Samantha, you broke up with me for a weekend just to party with random guys. And you think that's not serious?
I didn't mean it like that.
Doesn't matter how you meant it. You made your choice and now I'm making mine.
Alex, please, let me in. We can talk about this.